Hello, I'm John Noble. This is TIOmarkets. Today we're going to give a quick introduction into price. And what is price? Price is a leading indicator, and price is very powerful. Price is everything. Price is king. Price to an investor will dictate the success or the failure of an outcome, because what is reflected in price? Well, investors, they're seeking to profit on future price expectations, and investors with the view that current prices are undervalued, they're going to seek to profit by buying an asset that the investor believes will increase in value over a certain time frame. While investors who view that an asset is overvalued, they will look to sell an asset, and they'll seek to profit if prices are going to fall in value over a certain time frame. So the common theme between buyers and sellers, it's going to be that the is on future price expectations. Every buyer and every seller, they either have a positive or a negative outlook on the future direction or value of a price of an asset, and this will be reflected in current market price. So price is a leading indicator, since a simple look at a chart or a table of historic prices will tell an investor very quickly if prices are rising or falling. So let's take a quick look into what we mean by that. So here we go, and we're looking at a price chart from the 1st of July 2020 till the 17th of July 2020. And if we look at the last column here, this is the closing price for, looks to be, the euro dollar for the end of those trading sessions. So beginning on the 1st of July. And on a quick observation, what can we point out? What does this chart indicate to us? This table. It tells us that on the 1st of July, the euro dollar closed at 112 and 1.125. And if we look at today's current price on the 17th of July, we can see it's 1.139. So is price on our observations higher or lower? Well, it's higher. And if we look throughout the course of the in-between, we can see that prices they've made a steady trend going higher. So price, what is price telling us? It's telling us that price is moving higher, that the asset is going higher. So just, you don't need to look at a chart to understand if a price is moving higher. You could even look at it, you could write down the daily closing values of an asset price every day, and you can judge for yourself if prices are rising and falling. In fact, this is what was done many, many, many years ago before the introduction of electronic trading, and there were computers out there to give us very nice graphical charts. It was all done on pen and paper. So now what we have here is we get things because of technology, because of the TIOmarkets MT4 platform. We could actually, that data, those closing values can be represented in a nice, beautiful chart. And what we can see here is we got a nice candlestick chart here. And if we're looking at, as we say here, on the 1st of July, and if we could indicate on our chart, the 1st of July is around here, what can we see? We can see that prices are in fact increasing. So what does the chart tell us? The chart, on a very quick observation, can tell us that the direction of price and whether buyers and sellers are having control over the market and moving prices either higher or lower. Now, if you want to see the, I'll give you a little tip, a little insight into a nice feature in the MT4 platform where you can get a nice table that looks like this. The data is here, it's available. And if you go into the Market Watch window on the TIOmarkets platform, you right click on an asset, you go to symbols. This will take you up to a new window. You can click bars or ticks. Bars, let's use. We can change the observation to daily. That means that we're going to look at the closing value every day, and then you could even pick for your time frame. So here we're going to pick which was Wednesday, the 1st of July, and we're going to take it till today, which is Friday, the 17th of July. We will make our request, and voila, we have our price table. So here you could look at the high and the closing value on these days. So it starts from the bottom, which will be the starting point, and the closing value, or the most current price, will be at the top. So starting from the bottom, you could look here on the 1st of July. We can see our closing price was 112.50, and we can see where current price is, well, the closing price for the previous period is 114. And then in between, you can judge for yourself if prices are rising and falling. So that's it for now. That was just a quick introduction into price. Price is king. Price is a leading indicator. And stay tuned, and we're going to get into some more educational videos, more insights on how to measure price trends and the strength of those trends in the upcoming videos. Have a great